Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. This is help video for Ahmed and Haywood, chapter 4, paragraph 4. They talk about the prepositions, al-huroof al-jarr. So this is a diagram that just basically summarizes the prepositions using the example of making a cup of tea. So we'd just like to start with the top right hand corner. It's sort of like a cartoon strip, and we'll just go through the words one by one. Al-ibriq, al-ibriq, and that's a jug or a kettle. So here we have somebody, a person is pouring water from the jug into the cup. So sabba, to pour, ashaya, the tea, min, from. So that's the first preposition, harf jar, min. Min al-ibriqi ila al-finjani. So min is a harf jar, that's why the next word is majroor, and we call it ism majroor. And the sign that it is majroor is a kasra, because this word is munsarif, and it's a single kasra because it has alif lam. So sabba shaya min al-ibriqi ila al-finjani. Finjan is the cup, and to ila is also a harf jar. Note that this is not a ya, but it's an alif maqsura, hence you read it as e with a kasra, lam with a fatha, and then this is like an alif, so we read ila. It's not ili or ilay, ila. And now we have the tea inside the cup. So fi, or in, is the harf jar here. Ashayu fil finjani. Again we have the harf jar, and it makes the following word majroor, and the sign that it is majroor is a kasra, because it is munsarif and it has alif lam, so it's a single kasra. And then we have a word that's commonly considered to be a harf jar, but it isn't a harf jar technically. Ma'a. Ashrabu shaya ma'a sukkari. But it behaves like a harf jar here, and hence I put it in there. I drink tea, ashrabu shaya, with ma'a as-sukkar, with sugar. But hence it's got the dashed outline to remind you that technically it's not a harf jar. Then we have the cup resting on the table, ala. Al-finjanu ala al-ma'idati. Al-finjanu ala, on. Again we have this similar alif maqsura, just like in ila. This word is not alay, but it is ala when it's on its own like that. Al-ma'idati, the table. And the word ma'ida is majroor, because it's following an harf jar, and the sign that it is majroor is a kasra, single kasra, because it is alif lam, and a kasra because it is munsarif. And then we have the preposition an. Kharaja ash-shayu anil hudud. Kharaja, come out, exit. Ash-shayu, the tea. You can see the tea spilling over the boundaries of the cup. An, from, here you could consider it to mean al-hudud, the boundaries. And again hudud has a kasra because it's majroor, and it's majroor because it has it is a ism majroor. It follows the harf jar an. And then we have ka. So we have a tea bag, and these are beans of coffee. Ash-shayu kal qahwati. Tea is like ka, coffee, and as it's a single letter it can be joined to the following word. So there's the kaf, then the alif lam, then the qaf, ha, waw, ta marbuta. Like. And then we have the headless waiter who is carrying the cup of tea, and he's asking, liman hadha shayu, for whom or to whom this tea, to whom does this tea belong? and then somebody shouts li Zaid, for Zaid. So li is a harf jar when it means to belong to. And then we have B, قبل أن أشرب, before I drink, الشاي, tea, أبدأ بالبسملة, بالبسملة. So B is the harf jar. The word al-basmala means the statement Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So this person is saying, before I drink my tea, before I drink the tea, I begin with basmala. I say Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So he says Abda'u bi al-basmala, and the B makes al-basmala majroor, and the sign that it is majroor is a kasra because it's munsarif or a triptote, and it's only a single one because it has alif lam. And then finally we come to rubba, which is an unusual harf jar. We don't usually tend to see it much in modern Arabic, but it's there in classical, and you can see how many cups. So rubba finjanin sharibtuhu min ash-shay. Many, it literally means many a cup. Rubba finjanin, many a cup. It can also mean how few, and you judge by the context whether the speaker intends to mean many or a few. Rubba finjanin, the word finjan is munsarif in the singular, and therefore it is majroor. It is majroor because of the rubba, and because it is majroor and munsarif, it therefore takes a kasra, and it doesn't have an alif lam, so it takes two kasras. Rubba finjanin, how many cups? Sharibtuhu, I have drunk, min ash-shay, of tea. And then you have these three letters of oath, and we find a cup of tea has been drunk, and somebody's asking somebody, have you drunk the tea? And you say, Wallahi sharibtu shaya, I swear by Allah, I drank the tea. The waw is called waw al-qasam, and when you're making an oath, there shouldn't really be a space between the waw and the following word, so that's a poor handwriting there. So the waw, the word that follows the waw is majroor, and in this case it is what the Arab grammarians call al-lafzul jalala, i.e. the word Allah, and it is majroor, and the sign that it is majroor is a single kasra. And instead of wa, you can actually have b. Don't confuse this with the previous b. They're exactly the same thing, but this b means with, and this b means I swear by, or to swear by. Billahi sharibtu shaya, which is exactly the same meaning as Wallahi sharibtu shaya, and you have ta as well. Tallahi sharibtu shaya. So these are, if we count them all now, we have 1 min, 2 ila, 3 fi, we don't count ma, ala 4, an 5, ka 6, li 7, bi 8, rubba 9, wa, bi, and ta. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 huruf jar are covered here. Ma is quite frequently mistaken to be a harf jar, but it's not actually. That brings us to the end of this lesson. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.